State Space Models, SSMs, and Mamba. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for State Space Models, SSMs, and Mamba, beginner-level introduction. State Space Models, SSMs, and Mamba are modern AI techniques used to process sequential data such as text, audio, time series data signals. Traditional models like transformers work well, but can be slow and memory-heavy for long sequences. SSMs and Mamba provide a faster and more efficient way to handle long sequences. Examples include language modeling like chatbots, speech processing, financial time series prediction, signal processing. This topic helps beginners understand how AI can handle data that changes over time. It introduces important concepts such as sequential data, hidden states, memory and AI models, time-based modeling, efficient computation. What are state space models, SSMs? A state space model, SSM, is a mathematical model used to describe systems that change over time. In simple words, SSM equals a model that keeps track of a system's state over time. It uses current state, input, output. Simple idea of state. A state represents the current condition of a system. Example: state equals hungry. The next state depends on current state plus input. What is Mamba? Mamba is a modern AI model based on state space models designed for fast sequence processing, efficient memory usage, long context understanding. In simple words, Mamba equals a fast and efficient AI model for handling long sequences. Why SSMs and Mamba are important. Handling sequences is difficult because data is long, dependencies span over time, memory usage is high. SSMs and Mamba help by efficiently handling long sequences, using less memory, processing data faster, capturing time-based patterns. Basic components of SSM: component purpose state, current system condition, input, external data, transition, how state changes over time, output, result based on state, mathematical idea, simplified. A basic SSM can be written as xt plus 1 equals axt plus but equals xt plus boo t yt equals cxt equals cxt, where xt equals state ut equals input yt equals output. Example of sequential data sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple SSM example, Python. State equals 0. Inputs equals 1, 2, 3, 4. U in inputs. State equals state plus u. Print state. This shows how state evolves over time. How state space models work. Step 1. Initialize state. State equals 0. Step 2. Receive input. Input value equals 5. Step 3. Update state. State equals state plus input value. Step 4. Produce output. Output equals state. Print output. SSMs are used in language models, speech recognition, time series prediction. Words equals AI is powerful. For word in words. Print. What makes Mamba special? Mamba improves SSMs by selective memory, focus on important data, faster computation, better scalability, efficient long sequence handling. Concept of selective state update. Mamba. Inputs equals 1, 5, 2, 10. State equals 0. For u in inputs, if u greater than 3, state plus equals u, print state. This shows how Mamba focuses on important inputs. SSM versus transformer. Simple comparison. Feature SSM, Mamba, transformer. Speed, faster, slower for long data. Memory usage, low, high. Long sequences, efficient, expensive. Computation, linear, quadratic. Real-world example. Example, stock prices. Prices equals 100, 102, 101, 105. State equals 0. For price in prices, state plus equals price. Print, trend state, state. Full menu-based SSM example, def update state. State equals int input, enter initial state. Value equals int input, enter input value. State plus equals value. Print, updated state. Def, process sequence. Sec equals input, enter numbers separated by space. Numbers equals list, map int, sec split. State equals 0. For num and numbers, state plus equals num. Print, state. Def, selective update. Seek equals input, enter numbers. Numbers equals list, map int, seek split. State equals 0. For num and numbers, if num greater than 5, state plus num. While true, print, n1, update state. Print, 2, process sequence. Print, 3, selective update. Mamba. Print, 4, exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, update state. Elif choice equals 2, process sequence. Elif choice equals 3, selective update. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from SSM and Mamba. Sequential data modeling, state transitions, time-based learning, efficient computation, memory optimization, modern AI architectures. Real-life analogy. SSM is like remembering past events to decide the future. Mamba is like remembering only the important events to be faster and smarter. Ways to improve an SSM Mamba project. Use deep learning frameworks, PyTorch. Implement real SSM architectures. Compare with transformers. Work with time series datasets. Build speech or text models. Optimize performance. Use GPU acceleration. Explore research papers. Common mistakes beginners make. I. Confusing SSM with simple loops. I. Ignoring time dependencies. I. Not understanding hidden states. I. Comparing unfairly with transformers. I. Oversimplifying real models. Where SSMs and Mamba are used. Language models, speech recognition, financial forecasting, signal processing, robotics, control systems, time series analysis, AI research. Large systems may include deep learning architectures, sequence models, efficient AI systems, real-time processing, simple definition. State space models, SSMs, a method to model systems that evolve over time using states. Mamba, an advanced, efficient AI model based on SSMs for handling long sequences. Final summary. SSMs and Mamba help AI systems handle time-based and sequential data efficiently. They enable faster processing, better memory usage, long context understanding, scalable AI systems. By learning this topic, beginners understand modern approaches to efficient AI sequence modeling.